Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning Lexus UX 250h Takumi we've currently got for sale, finished in this lovely metallic grey paint. It's got that 2-litre petrol hybrid engine producing 181 brake horsepower. And starting off for the front of the vehicle, you'll benefit from LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side are these lovely 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and the gorgeous panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light to the cabin. There's a huge amount of boot space on offer as well, with split folding seats, plenty of room for multiple large suitcases there. You also have ease of access with that electric tailgate. Moving inside, you get that gorgeous leather upholstery which is also ventilated at the front. The leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel on offer with the centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable, including plenty of adjustment which is also electric. You've got the head-up display allowing you to keep your eyes on the road at all times. And moving on to that infotainment system, alongside the digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got satellite navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. There's plenty of adjustment for the climate as well. So as well as heated front seats, they're also cooled as well to keep you nice and comfortable in any conditions. You've also got that heated steering wheel there as well, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. To help with parking, as well as your parking sensors, you'll also benefit from these camera systems here to give you a view around the vehicle from all angles. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got your doors and climate controls, which is nice and easy to adjust. There's also wireless phone charging on offer as well, so you can charge multiple devices on the move. You'll also benefit from that fantastic Mark Levinson sound system as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.